guys, welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures, right? Yeah. All right, guys, on today's episode for Team Run It, we just completed changing out the belt tensioner on GNX 548, the one behind us right here. What was going on is I noticed I should have changed this belt tensioner out a long time ago. All right, a long time ago, because when it's idling, or I come to a stoplight, the actual belt tensioner was clicking. You can hear it like click, like clicking, a little bit. So I felt like that was suspect. So I went down to Bethel, North Carolina, to gbodyparts.com, and I purchased one from Mr. Weaver about a month ago, and we just got around to putting it on, and we're happy, right? So we want to show them our finished product on this belt tensioner. So we gonna turn it around, right? Turn it around. Yeah. You got your hat on? Because we got the door up today. Yeah. We got the door up today. It's not too cold. It's just raining. It's not too cold for us. And also I gotta get some more propane, right? For the honeycomb hideout. So let me go ahead and turn it around and show you guys what we've been doing, to GNX 548. All right, let's turn it around. All right, guys, here's the old tensioner right here. I believe that the old tensioner, yeah, you can hold it if you want to. Let's show them. All right, I felt like the old tensioner, the actual tension spring in it, is heavy. Yeah, I know. Let me hold it then. It was getting weak, clicking.
It does spin here.
It spins. Let it spin.
Yeah.
Go ahead, spin it. That's the tensioner pulley. Yeah. And I think this is the original tensioner, because the part number on it is 255. What is that, Peanut? 26388. No, 26387. That's a 6, not a 9. 2387.
7.
So yeah. So that's the old tensioner right there that we had swapped out. And let me turn on the light. Let's put some light on the situation. And there's the new tensioner. I don't know if you guys can see it. See that little shiny thing down up in there? Yeah, that's the new tensioner right there. And the belt's not too old. I didn't swap out the belt because this belt probably don't even have 1,000 miles on it. So I didn't swap it out. Still look new. Still look useful. So along with this new tensioner.
The wire.
And hold on. Well, which wire? Oh yeah. And what I want to do is explain to you about this new tensioner and why it's better than the OEM tensioner. Yeah, see it? See it right there? Oh yeah, that is the original tensioner. Hold on. It's saying that the GM part number is 255-25338. Let me see what this one says. Let me go back. Well, this tensioner is a 255-26387. So it must not be the same. So yeah, the new reproduction one weighs 4.10 4 pounds 10 ounces, and the factory units was 3 pounds 7 ounces, 70 ounces. And better quality material with today's technology, So I'm happy with the tensioner. It wasn't a bad job to do. Had to remove a couple of bolts here and there to the alternator, of course to the tensioner, right, Peanut? And I loosened up that daggone lower intercooler bolt, so I can pull the intercooler bracket off the top of the tensioner, the top tensioner bolt. But yeah, guys, this is what we completed on today. What's that? What you doing there? That? Okay, I see. And like I said, we're gonna always keep on grinding on these cars, making them better, making sure that they're what's the word I'm looking for? Reliable, road worthy, and all that good stuff. So guys, I appreciate you guys supporting us. Let me turn off the light. Let me turn off our light. Thank you. We're having fun with these cars. Yeah. What? I know. What does it say? If you're pointing at it, what does it mean? It means Buick. It means Buick. So, hey guys, thank you for the support. This is the finished product with the new tensioner. So if you guys got like a high mileage tensioner on it or anything like that, I would advise to go ahead and change it out. Next will be GNX 549. Let's go over here and look at GNX 549 before we get off the, I'm gonna end up changing this tensioner out too on this car too. Yeah, we're gonna change this one out. Yep. Just for general purpose, we're gonna change it out. And change out the belt too. The tensioner and the belt. Hey, thank you guys for all the support for Peanut and me. Yeah, it's all right. Thank you all the support. Let me turn this camera around, and we'll have more content and more follow-ups on any and every maintenance repair that we do. Right?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah. Any maintenance repair that we do, we're gonna keep you guys updated on it. What else? And that's it, guys. But hey, talk to you guys later. Team Run It. Peace. Come on. Peace.